The Mamelodi Sundowns have fired their head coach Manqoba Mnetsi after their draw against AS FAR Rabat in the CAF Champions League. The Brazilians are still without a win in the group phase of the CAF and lost their only final under Mnetsi against Majesty in the Carling Knockout Cup. The Brazilians chairman Ntlobi Motsepe has opened up on the reason behind the club's decision to fire the South African tactician Manqoba Mnetsi. The chairman of Mamelodi Sundowns, Motsepe, has explained why the Brazilians decided to part way with Manqoba Mnetsi after a poor start of the season. The South African technician Manqoba Mnetsi has been with the Brazilians since 2013 when he left Lamontville Golden Arrows. The 53-year-old Mnetsi graduated from assistant manager to head coach after Rulani Mokwena departed last season. The Sundowns board and management have decided to implement a restructuring and change in the coaching department. Motsepe said during the press conference on Tuesday, "This was by no means an easy decision. Coach Manqoba Mnetsi and coach Mendel Robertson were two coaches who have been with the club for over 22 years combined. They have been an incredible servants for the football club. Coach Roman Falls, who also joined recently, was a very important player and part of this technical team, but said they needed another direction." Motsepe explained that they did it knowing that as much as they are moving forward as a football club, they have a commitment to develop African and South African coaches and players in South Africa. Motsepe also confirmed that Steve Kompela and Reteni Moel will remain at the club and work under the new managers. That was it for today. Please place your view on the comment section. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.